Hi, I am Blessed Isaac Olupot, and you're most welcome to Bird's Lens. In today's episode, we take a look at the sounds of nature's best engineers, the weaverbirds. Earlier during the week, we shared some common facts about the weaverbirds, one of which they are well known for building elaborate nests. And we also know that the male weavers are always in charge of building these nests, whereas the females, they are left with the responsibility of selecting their next breeding partners. Well, we take a look at the sounds of our top 4 weaverbirds that we studied this week. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video so we can make better improvements. Keep learning and enjoy.